Most stations don't own a car. I don't own a car for now. I am living in Carrefour when I need to travel a long way, like to downtown Port-au-Prince, which is about 17 kilometers. I take one of these vans, buses, or one of these multicolored vehicles which are called Taptap. Let me show you how I do it. Generally, I walk a distance to go and pick a Taptap. Nowadays, the Asian government is working on the regulation of the transport of the country. They demand to the taxi drivers to inscribe their way on their vehicles and give them the price to accept for that trip. For example, the government requires 15 goods for the trip from Carrefour to Port-au-Prince. So, most of the times, I don't need to ask the drivers where they are going and what it costs. In the vehicle, depending on the people and the distance they are going, we can have different subjects like politics, football, and others. Some Christians used to evangelize too sometimes. And most of the time, the people don't talk to each other. But there's a lot of respect. When we come for each other, when I get where I want, I say mercy, which means thank you. Or I tap on the window and the driver stops. I pay for my ride. It is as simple as that and a good way to get around.